Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a important topic of a compiler design, that is introduction of a compiler. In that we are going to discuss language processors. Then we will discuss the things that is the phases of compiler, specification of tokens, token pattern like same recognition of tokens. Okay, today we are going to discuss language processors. Language processor, as its name suggests, which is used to process the languages. Okay, now a language processor is a software which bridges a specification or execution gap. The program from input to language processor as the source program and to its output as the target program. The language in which these programs are written are called source language and target language respectively. Types of language processors. A language translator. A language translator bridges an execution gap to the machine language or assembly language of a computer system, for example, assembler and compiler. So, what is compiler? So, compiler it is a translator which takes assembly language as a source, assembly language as a input, process it and gives machine language code as a output. Now, what is assembler? Assembler it is a assembler, what we can say that assembler it is a translator. It takes high level language, pure high level language as a input and produces assembly code as a output. Now detranslator bridges the same execution gap as the language translator but in this reverse direction. A preprocessor. A preprocessor is a language processor which bridges an execution gap but it is not a language translator. Preprocessor performs preprocessing on the instruction. It converts high level language into pure high level language. Now, what is language migrator? A language migrator bridges the specification gap between two programming languages. Now, these are the language processor example. C++ preprocessor, in which we have input as a C++ program, errors and C is the output. In C++ translator we will have a C++ program, C++ translator will convert into a machine language program. Now, what is interpreter? So interpreter is the language translator. It takes high level language as a input or pure level high level language as a input and process and give the output in a what we can say that give the output as a machine code language. But main difference between compiler and interpreter is that compiler take whole block of a program or all the instruction, but interpreter perform uh, line by line execution. There are two types of interpreter, pure and impure. An interpreter is a language processor which bridges an execution gap without generating a machine language program. An interpreter is a language translator according to the classification. So again we will discuss that key what is linker and loader. So these are also the language processor. So what is loader? Loader it is a program, the main as it name suggests, which is used to uh, load the program or load the executable file into main memory. Okay, so and prepare it for the execution. So the responsibility of loader is to load the program, load the executable file into main memory and prepare it for execution. Now next one is linker. What is linker? Linker it is main responsibility is to link the different files. Okay, thank you. This is for language processor.